Hey you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a a reading on what's my next move. So some of you guys, I haven't done this in a while actually, but some of you guys might need some assistance in what move to make next, if you feel stuck or anything like that. Honestly, your guys are saying do what's best for you. If you want to live a life of freedom, by all means do so. And that's kind of like living a life with no rules. So if you want to live day by day, that's up to you. If you want to live like you want to go skinny dipping 1 minute, and the next minute you want to just sleep in a tent somewhere, that's all on you. No matter how unconventional it is, you know, do you. Be dope, be unapologetically, like I always say. Love you as you are right now. Your next move is doing exactly what you want to do. Some of you guys, that includes moving to a nudist community, you know, trying more things that are outside your comfort zone, things like that. Let's see what else. My cards are everywhere right now. Alright. Hope you guys are having a good weekend, a good day, whatever time you see this. Alright, some of you guys, your next move is to just chill out. Like some of you guys are overly researching spirituality, so sometimes that causes your mind to go on like overload. Believe it or not, when you go through spiritual awakenings, you're getting a whole DNA download and shit like that. So you really got to take time to rest, to eat, drink a lot of water, you know, not overdo it. And honestly, spiritual awakenings cause for you to take more time to rest for yourself, things of that nature. Alright, but the next card is have more fun. Again, a lot of you guys are going to be seeking a life of freedom. Some of you guys still feel tied down to family, exes, things like that, and you really just got to let it go. You got to trust yourself, believe in yourself that you deserve more, you deserve better. And honestly, once you understand that, then you can move on. But until you do that, you're always going to be tied down to certain people, places, and things, and you're going to wonder why am I not moving forward? Why am I not traveling? Why am I not doing this? Because you could be making excuses or letting people rule your life. So some of you guys, your guides are willing to help you as long as you speak up to them and ask them what you want. And honestly, it's that simple. Some of you guys have power to manifest things instantaneously, but you haven't decided what you want. Some of you guys decided what you want, but you think it's sinful. And honestly, anything you desire is not sinful. Your desire wouldn't have been put there if God didn't want you to have it. So I want to be rich, I want to be famous, things like that. It's not out of the norm, you know, and it's not sinful. You got to learn that and understanding that. Like, for example, if you want your business to succeed, you're going to need to have a clientele of money to come out of that, and it's not sinful to make money. Alright, so the next one in here is a lot of you guys, you've been working hard, but something that I prayed for recently is to work smarter. So some of you guys need to learn how to network, put yourself out there more in person. So if you are, for example, a tarot reader online, you might want to try to find gigs outside in person, get business cards, things like that. Anything you know how to do, any ideas you come up with, just do it. Honestly, it comes down to that. And the last one is speak up. Again, a lot of you guys, this is speak up with campaigns, things you believe in, your business. Don't hide your gifts ever, or what you do. So again, business cards will be a good for a lot of you guys trying to do business. Our flyers, get, you know, the whole 9 yards. And eventually some of you guys might be surprised at how fast you might manifest a business in person, as far as like owning a business, a building. Yeah, with that being said, you guys, hopefully that helped you a little bit to get out of any ruts you may be feeling. Be dope, be unapologetically. Book a reading with me today. Check out my reviews on Instagram, Oshun_the Great. Peace.